how to get high ticket clients on Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get high ticket clients on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get high ticket clients on Facebook, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Optimize your Facebook presence. Use a professional profile picture, a strong headline, and a well crafted About section. Step 2. Join relevant Facebook groups. Find groups where your ideal clients are active and engage meaningfully by answering questions and sharing expertise. Step 3. Create a business page or group. Share testimonials, case studies, and valuable content to build a community. Step 4. Build relationships. Interact authentically with comments and direct messages. Post consistently with value driven content like success stories and tips. Step 5. Leverage stories and live videos. Use Facebook stories to give behind the scenes insights. Host live sessions to showcase expertise and interact in real time. Step 6. Target high ticket prospects. Run targeted Facebook ads using advanced audience filters. Offer a free resource like an ebook or webinar to capture leads. Step 7. Highlight success stories. Share client transformations or testimonials to demonstrate value. Step 8. Offer free consultations. Use consultations to diagnose problems and propose premium solutions. Step 9. Follow up and close deals. Maintain communication through Facebook Messenger or email. Present your high ticket service as the solution to their pain points. So that's how you can get high ticket clients on Facebook. That's all for this video.